Nakaseng Congress, Shakaseng Trinamool Congress, Nakatrinamool Congress Shaka BJP, but Kadu Shakaseng National People's Party. Kini kadi kajingat nanti jung MLA Bariam jong Kamasun Ram uba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang. Mandakasnya jalan makin tu khabar uba Shangpliang oleh tu uba undung no Shakaseng NPP. Takabaang balu bahkan dikaseng udot unung yalam uba biang, unung yalam uba yu ijengai, ubarak ban yalam Shaprang ya kejela. Udah turut berkadau berkonsan berurung Shakaseng NPP ke diketahui ke bola penpau. Baru lai iru laong ba kajeng yalam jong konrat sangma hapo jong dika Sorkar ke bamenta bat kabla dia perlu kejelak lanang kiu Shaprang agar liang karo kepa.
Planning to join the NPP, and the scheduled date for entering for being inducted in the NPP is on the 13th of September at 2 p.m. in the state NPP headquarter office.
Are you contesting?
Joining the NPP, I have seen the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangma. In this 5 years of government, 5 years of chief ministership, Mr. Conrad Sangma has brought drastic change in the state of Meghalaya. There has been a lot of development. We could see development coming, and we could see more to come. And therefore, I thought that NPP is the only party of the state that perhaps could provide the people of the state the sense of security, the sense of development, and a future for the people of Meghalaya.
Were you